Hello, my guys. Hello, everybody. Yeah, so today we want to learn how to correctly count gold pips. And at the end of this tutorial, you will be able to calculate and count gold pips correctly. So in this tutorial, I expect those who are still struggling with counting gold pips, most likely the beginners, or maybe if you have traded for quite some time, but this is still a struggle, then this tutorial is aimed at addressing just that, okay? So let's say, let me just draw some two lines here. Let me just draw two lines. So the line above is going to be the price I've put there. Let me just make it a little bigger, maybe 40. Let me just make it bigger. So we have two prices here. Yeah, 40, 40. So let's say you have these two prices, but now I want to deal with the smaller changes so that you can all understand the difference. So let's say the market moved from 23.00. I just want 23.10, a round number, 23.10, 23.10, 23.10, and let's say it's here, and it moved from 23.10 to 23.11. So I have to look for 23.11. Very close. Somewhere around, let me see if that's gonna be 23.11.00. I'll have to really make my chart bigger so that we can have the 23.10 and 23.11. 23.11.00 round. I just want to use round numbers. Then there we go. Then you come here. Let me just make it somewhere here. Somewhere here. All right. So you have just take them back to 23.11 flat. Then I take this back to 23.10 flat, right there. Good. So in this tutorial, you're going to understand how to calculate gold pips. So let's say you've entered a sell trade at, you've entered, let's say buy in this case. You've bought at 23.10 and the market went 23.11. So let me even use a measurement tool for you to understand how easy this can be. Well, let's say my tool is so big on the screen, okay? So let's say it's tiny as our original chart. Okay, let's say, let's not even use that tool. Let's use this tool over here. This is the perfect tool for that. So let's say you have bought from 23.10 and the market went to 23.11.00. So all you need to do is to just subtract the highest value from the smallest value if you bought. Yeah, always subtract the highest from the smallest. Even if you sold, you subtract the highest from the smallest, then you know the pips you have made. So in this case, you minus 23.11 minus 23.10, you will end up with, let me see if I can get it here. where is a pen? So you'll end up with 0. Where's my brush pen? You end up with you start from the left side. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Put your decimal. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. Let me make my decimal big. Okay, then 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, 1.00. So in other words, we have 1.0 1.0 change according to our mathematics here. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Yeah, so we have 1.0 as the difference. Okay, so after getting the difference, if your difference is a whole number, like for in this case, we have 1, you multiply the difference by 10 to get the pips, okay? So this in short tells you that you have gained 10 pips in your buy. So the difference times 10, okay? Yeah, so for example, if this guy went to maybe, let's say 12, let's say he went to 12, how much would that be? Yeah, let me see the beginners in the comment section. Yeah, to just show me that you have understood the concept of counting gold pips. So that would be 2312 minus 2310. That would give you what? 20 pips. That would be 2 times 10. And now you have your beautiful 20 pips of gold. Yeah. So that's how to count gold pips the easy way. Yeah, so let's get into big numbers maybe for those who can get confused by big numbers. So let me just delete everything on my chart. Yeah, so let's say you bought, we're going to do both buy and sell scenarios. So let's say you bought at where? Let's say you bought around this place, and you expected to exit around this place, okay? So that is not even that big, but we can make it a little bigger. So let's say you bought down here at 2305 and you're expecting to exit at 2313. How many pips shall you have made if the trade goes your way? Yeah, so this is just 2313.27 minus 2305.35. So you can do this really quick on your calculator. Let me see what my calculator says. Where is my calculator? Let me see if I can add my calculator. Where's my calculator? Come on, Mr. Calculator. Where is it? Okay, so from my calculator, it should be how many pips? It should be around 6.7 pips, around 6.7. So you multiply 6.7 times 10 and you get 67. Yeah. So you'll get around 6. Let me do that math correctly. That will be 7 minus 8 is 9. 7 minus 8 is 9. Then we have 7 minus 8 is 9. Why is my 9 tiny? Should make it a little bigger. Yeah, so 7 minus 8, that is 17. Minus 8 will be 9. If my math still serves me right, then we have 1 here left. So 11 minus 5, that would be 6. That will be 6. Then you put your 6 here. Then I'll, of course, put my beautiful dot of decimal somewhere there. Then we have 2 here. 12 minus 5, that would be 7. Yeah, 12 minus 5 would be 7. You come and write here 7 in place of 1. 7. And now you are left with 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So you have actually 70. You have 7.69 difference. So to get this right, you multiply your 7.69 times 10. So if you multiply this, just put an X there. You multiply this times 10 times 10. And you're probably going to get 76.9 pips. So you shall have moved 76.9 pips. You shall have gained 76.9 pips in your buy trade. So it's as simple as you've seen it. So I hope this tutorial has addressed your gold pips counting. Yeah, this ensures that you have not left any gray area in your trading. Yeah, so this is very elementary in trading, and we'll get into some more complex mathematical aspect of the market. I think we'll put this all in one playlist, the mathematical aspect, the mathematical side of the market in one playlist, from elementary to advanced level. There's actually nothing advanced mathematically in Forex. It's all simple. So we'll just put all this together. Yeah, it's just ABC kind of arithmetic. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you found help. If it's your first time on the channel, just do what you always do. Subscribe if you're returning subscribers. Thank you very much for checking in again to learn something new. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.